Havas is a French multinational advertising and public relations company headquartered in Paris, France. It operates in more than 100 countries and is currently the 7th largest advertising communications group in the world. BETC was established under the Havas Group. It started from Paris and went global. It has many excellent packaging designs and wonderful advertising planning. BETC is committed to building an iconic brand and transcending originality. Founded in 1995 and headquartered in France, BETC is a strategy and creative consulting agency. BETC app is a film and television promotion and advertising agency under BETC Group. Founded in 2015, it is world-renowned for its creative and efficient film and television promotion services. Based in the business centers of major cities, we extensively recruit world-class multicultural talents. And our business covers the world. Headquartered in London, UK. Since its establishment, the company has established strategic partnerships with major global film and television companies such as Europa Corp, Warner Brothers Entertainment, Disney Studios, and Legendary Entertainment, as well as businesses. We will provide long-term promotional services for these companies and businesses. Currently, hundreds of thousands of businesses and companies worldwide have shared their demands through the BETC app platform, and this number is rapidly increasing. At the same time, over the past few years of being hit by the COVID-19 pandemic globally, we have also helped millions of people worldwide solve their employment and income issues. Thanks to the development of the Internet, our business model is very simple and efficient. Using the Internet to release film and television works through the BETC app for film and television companies and merchants from around the world. By promoting in this way, increase the visibility of film and television works to achieve the lowest cost promotion effect. After each task is completed, the platform will charge them a certain fee. And at the same time, 60% minus 80% of these fees will be paid as compensation to the online employees who have completed the task. Recently, due to the increasing unemployment rate, the Indian government invited BETC app to carry out in-depth cooperation to expand business volume in the Indian market, to create more job opportunities. Based on the judgment of the company's senior management and combined with the company's development needs, we have decided to recruit 1.5 million new online employees in India in the next 2 years, in order to complete the recruitment work faster and achieve better personnel management. We will invest more capital budget and innovate the model so that every employee can participate in the recruitment and management work, and at the same time obtain corresponding benefits. More income. This is a rare development opportunity. If you have the ability, passion, and want to achieve financial freedom faster, come join us. The earlier you join, the more opportunities you have for promotion.